Hello viewers, I am Sanmitra Bhomik and welcome to Physics with Sanmitra. In today's lecture we are going to derive a very important expression, that is the tangential acceleration of a particle which is undergoing curvilinear motion at an instant that is equal to the magnitude of the velocity and the differentiation of that with respect to time. So this is the magnitude of tangential acceleration, that will be equal to d dt of the magnitude of velocity at that time, and it is not equal to, I have already mentioned in another video that it is not equal to dv by dt vector and say the magnitude of that. It is equal, this expression is important, it is equal to the ddt of the magnitude of velocity, that is the speed, the differentiation of speed with respect to time. Okay, now let's see how it happens. Okay, let's consider a curve. Let's consider a curve, say like this, and on the curve here the speed of a particle is say v. Now since the speed is changing say like this, it is changing like this, so I can say the acceleration is somewhere like this. This is a vector. Now this part I can say this is our at or the tangential acceleration, and this is the centripetal acceleration. If we add them we will get a. Let's add the vector sign. This is at and this is ac vector. Now what I can say is that, see, I have already shown you that a vector is equal to dv vector by dt vector. That means, see, this is the v vector. Now suppose the velocity is changing to say v dash, so this part will be, I can say, dv vector. This is vector, these all are vectors, dv vector. So acceleration direction will be something like this, and now we are resolving it into components. This is at and this is ac. Okay, so let's focus only on this part, on the curve. Now see one thing very carefully. Now if I find out the dv by dt, then see dv, it will be in the direction of dv, and dv is in the direction of a, it is not in the direction of v. V vector is like this, in this direction, but dv vector will be something like this because the velocity is changing to this. So the a vector and the v vector both will have different direction. So differentiation of v vector with respect to time will give us a vector, that is the total acceleration and not the tangential acceleration. Now let's find out what is the tangential acceleration. See, the tangential acceleration, the magnitude, I am just writing at without the vector, so it is magnitude, that I can write very easily the component of this whole acceleration, the total acceleration, in the direction of v. So component of a dot v cap, that is the unit vector along v, that is say v by v, where v is the v vector by v, where v is the magnitude. Now see one thing, what is a? A is dv by dt, so I can write here a is equal to dv vector by dt dot v into 1 by v. I think this much is clear for everybody. Now I remove this part. Now what I can do here is that, just see here properly, ddt of v vector dot v vector, this will give me v dot v vector dot dv by dt vector plus dv by dt vector dot v vector, v vector dot dv by dt vector plus dv by dt vector dot v vector. So that will give me 2 into v dot dv by dt vector. I think this is clear. Now see this part I will be replacing here. So this part I can write half d dt. I'm just transposing 2 into that side, that will be half half d dt v vector dot v vector, that will be v square into 1 by v. See, d dt of v square, that will be 2v dv by dt. So it will be half or 1 by 2v into 2v dv by dt. 2v and 2v will cancel. So ultimately what we are getting here is that ultimately we are getting here, I am removing this part, at will be at dv by dt. Now we have to understand what is v. V is the magnitude of velocity, that is the magnitude of velocity vector. And what is at? At is the magnitude of acceleration, tangential acceleration vector. So this tangential acceleration is only responsible for the increase in the magnitude of velocity and not responsible for the change in the direction in the curvilinear motion. So that's all for this video. So if you like our content, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.